In this video, I will show you step by step how we can make $3,000 per month just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you guys my method. I will share with you which affiliate links you should start promoting on Pinterest and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I'm gonna share for free. Okay, so I made, as you can see over here in commission, I made $7,750 in commission just in almost 2 months. Okay, I started from January 2024, okay, until today. Okay, February 2024, and today it's 2021, and I will click on update, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same in numbers. And for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. When you start this business, you will withdraw your money. It will show $0 in your balance. Anyways, okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to this business, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link over here and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, keep scrolling down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission and you can make a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate marketing, click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, okay, and account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here and put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. You can see that anyone can sign up. It's super easy. Okay, it will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Pinterest, okay, because we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy. And make sure to open business account, not personal account. Choose business account. Okay, so after you finish, go back to your Fiverr home page like this. So now I'm gonna share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Click over here on the search and search for digital planner. Okay, search for digital planner. Okay, like this, and here you go. Scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 seller, the sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers has a good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. I will choose this one. This one looks really good seller, level 2 seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has 9 orders in queue. So what you will do next, you will copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this profile seller link here like this and click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed like this, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his picture, double click, save image, save this picture to your laptop. I will name it, for example, digital planner, and go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture about digital planner service that you want to promote. Open, and here you go. Scroll down, you need to put here title. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy his title like this. Okay, go back to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, and you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so copy this part, you will copy this one, okay, like this, and I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this description here, okay, like this. Scroll down, so you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, click on choose board and click on create a board. If you have a new account, click on create a board, and you can create as many as you want. It's super easy, you just need to give it a name. I will choose, for example, this one. Scroll down, put here tags. Okay, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, those are the keywords that you should use. Okay, copy those keywords, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here like this, and go back to this seller page, copy those keywords here and paste, go back again to this seller profile page and copy those keywords. Okay, so make sure to use a lot of keywords like this. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, and that's it. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, and this is your title, this is your description. So make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links. You need to stay consistent, okay, if you want to earn commission. If you have a new account, if you just created a Pinterest account, you should promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, if you promote a lot of affiliate links per day and you have a new account, your account will get banned. Okay, you need to warm your account. Okay, so I always say this sentence in all my videos. Guys, you need, if you have a new account, promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, and stay consistent. You need to promote different services. So make sure to check my other videos. Okay, I share with you in all my videos different services, profitable services that I was promoting to earn commission. Okay, and that's it. So the commission, it's depending on your work. If you stay consistent, you will get commission. If you didn't, you will not get any commission. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.